Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding platform limits so you avoid wasted steps. iOS does not let you change notification icons for most apps directly. Some apps, like third-party messaging apps, provide alternate app icons you can choose inside the app. If an app offers alternate icons, its notification icon will match the chosen icon. Shortcuts-created home icons do not receive notifications from the original app. That means creating a custom shortcut icon will not show new notifications. Open the app whose notification icon you want to change and go to Settings. Look for an Appearance, Icon, or Theme section inside the app settings. If the app offers alternate icons, select the icon you prefer from the list. Confirm the change and allow the app to update the icon on your home screen. When an app supports alternate icons, its notification icon on the lock screen and banner will reflect the chosen icon. This method works only for apps that explicitly support alternate icons. If an app lacks alternate icon support, adjust how notifications appear instead. Open iPhone settings and tap Notifications to see all installed apps listed. Select the app and toggle Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners as needed. Enable badges to show the red count over the app icon when supported. Use focus modes and a custom notification summary to limit which apps appear on the lock screen. These controls do not change the icon graphic, but they let you manage visibility and prominence effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.